Fellas, you're looking at the bike that just won. Let's show a little respect. The 2021 Northeast Regional Vet Championship against a gate full of new evil 450s. The trusty two-stroke brings it to the front. 2021 Regional Vet Championship. I also just came off back-to-back Intercontinental Sand Mountain 21 Fat Bastard Class Champion on a CR500. Now, those are great accomplishments, but they pale in comparison to what the mighty CR500 has done on the Intercontinental World Motocross Series. 9 times in a row, world champion. And we're about to show you why. Why is the CR500 so fast? Because the dyno doesn't lie. The dyno tells the truth. Need a little excitement in your life? Hop onto a CR500. Well, okay. That explains everything. That explains why I only got 7 out of the 10 last hole shots. 3 seasons with nothing but an air filter and 1 spark plug. Done nothing to this bike. I bought it used with this top end on it from Jim Satrip, a good friend of mine who already had 2 seasons on it. So 5 seasons. This bike is 2-time reigning 500cc shootout grass drag champion, 2-time reigning. And it will be three-peat. It will be a three-peat because we're going to rebuild it. We're going to make it faster. Stay tuned. So there's another reason why it may be down on horsepower. The FMF fatties are on back order. This is an FMF gnarly, which is a woods pipe. That could make the difference. And it does have tremendous low-end torque, which you'd want for the woods. But I think it's being handicapped a little bit. But I still won the championship. Down 4 horsepower, still won the championship. Wait till I get my fast pipe. It's going to have at least 6 or 9 horsepower more, guaranteed. Uncle Ron said so.